I'm here with Bruno, and he's got tons of stuff. He's got tons of stuff.
BrunoPOWEEEER, man. YouTube.
Awesome. Excellent. Check it out. How many subscribers you got?
20,000.
20,000. That's doing awesome.
Yep, mate.
Okay, show us down here.
This is an Arduino spot welder.
Yep.
So people building batteries, the 18650 batteries, so they need a spot welder. So this connects to a LiPo battery.
Yep.
And it's like super high current. Yeah, so this is basically an Arduino controlling some powerful MOSFETs here. You know, once you do the pulse, you need to cut current, so it can be a big bang. So you need to kind of like dump the energy somewhere.
And nice.
There's some diodes.
Yep. Beautiful.
Right. Yeah, so that's like layers and layers of the logic board, a little LCD, a little control here.
That's a nice compact form factor. I like it.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, so this is made in India, Frozen. So this is the 18650 cell.
Yep.
So what do? You just put end caps on this, which is the cell holder, and then you made a screw terminal, so you don't have to do spot welding. Right? So you can just bolt it, you can remove, and you can build batteries like a building Lego. And I'll show you here. So here you see a 18650 cell, right? So normally you have to spot weld or soldering cells, which is not a good idea. But here you can just say like there's a little spring thing here.
Yeah, right.
So you just go here, bang, connect
How does it
here.
hold it in? It's just a friction fit?
Yeah, it's just a very tight fit. Like it's good prototyping.
Yep.
But if you go like you know, like I do electric bikes, electric motorcycle.
Yep.
This end up being big.
Right.
There's a lot of space between here. But for prototyping, awesome, awesome.
Excellent.
You can just build a series parallel with just screw nuts and stuff. It's awesome.
What else we got?
We've got this lead acid battery here from 1930s.
1930s.
1930s, made in England. It says here somewhere.
Fantastic.
Made in England. So this it's still got some crystals, acid crystals.
So they've just dried up probably, right?
Yeah, this was probably sitting in the sun, and then what happened is it just dried out because all the you know, the seal here is just gone.
Yep.
So it's probably like if you put water back inside here, it might bring the acid back to like maybe.
Maybe.
I need a grandpa engineer to come in. 1930s, it's pretty old.
Yep.
I want to go back to this project and see what happens.
Nice.
So let's open here.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, crystals.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Wow. So they're individual, like, is that like a grid or like a metal mesh or something? Like,
I think so. I don't really understand about lead acid, to be honest, because I'm more lithium, lithium cobalt, lithium manganese stuff. Like, so this for me is grandpa technology. I'm interested, but yeah, eBay tasers.
oh, right.
So
okay,
I found the most powerful I could get. I bought like 20.
Yep.
And then I found this module I liked, and I was like, yeah, you know, I'm gonna buy 20 or high voltage. They just leak, right? So they just go the shortest path. So what happened is, so I kind of put them in parallel. I want to put in parallel, and I was like, how am I gonna put them in parallel? Because it needs to be, you can't just go like putting any direction. So I was just like, I need to make some insulation here, so they don't bleed. And then this is gonna be 30 amps, 30 amps taser.
Wow. Nice.
30 battery amps, but this is about 40 kilovolts, 40,000 volts.
Sweet.
So I'm a bit scared of pumping 30 amps and something goes wrong here.
Does it like spark across at random spots?
I haven't done any experiments with this in parallel.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, like this, you might have some sparks going. They always follow the shortest path.
Yeah, of course.
It's like a lightning.
Yep.
Right? So I'll do some experiments on my curve in this way, curve in the other way, and see what bizarre result I'll get here. Yep. But I put this thing together months ago, but I'm kind of like, I wanted someone with me when I'm doing experiments. Someone, you know, something might go wrong. Yeah.
And you've got something here.
Yes, if you want to do... This is
holding the camera. You can open it.
This is from Master Instruments, Australia, made in Australia.
Made in the
So this was Australian Army multimeter was used probably in the Vietnam War, I reckon. I don't know. Yeah. So look, canvas, so it's not reflective.
Yep.
Right. So like army stuff can't be reflective, otherwise people see you. And this.
So it's actually designed for field use.
Yeah. Field use. The instructions all printed in aluminium.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so it's gonna last.
Yep.
So hang on. And then we got The
All
probes.
the original probes.
The regional probes.
Sweet.
Yeah, yeah. Look the style then.
What's the connector?
Ah, hang on.
Oh, I can smell it.
Can you smell old?
Oh, yeah.
Smell old. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Are they right-angled banana plugs?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Kinda.
I think they're right-angled
Hang
banana
on.
plugs.
And then this. Let me
Yep.
get the red one. It looks better in the camera.
Yep.
Hopefully it's not too dark. So it's got a little hook
Oh,
here.
it's got the easy hook.
Yeah,
So no,
yeah.
just a regular hook, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh,
So that's the only one. And then the one thing you might like to see is calibration series.
76.
Yeah.
1976,
Yeah.
or is that the model number?
I think it's. I saw somewhere the last calibrations in 2000. It's a bit of a stuff here. 1994.
94, they still
Was the last
calibrate-
calibration
still
1994.
calibrated in 94, nice.
Yeah. So let me just open here. Try to remove this thing. So it's missing one knob here.
Yeah.
Hang on. I tested the voltage is fine.
Still works.
Yeah. And then there's a funny battery here.
Yeah, for the ohms range, yeah.
Yeah, so this battery is a bit weird. So, but it's got a nice gasket. Got silicone grease.
Yep.
You know, like
Yep.
yeah, the dielectric thing.
Wow. Yeah. Oh,
That's-
yeah, nice.
Yeah,
wow.
nice gasket, and
And you can see through it as
thing.
wow.
so it's got a. I think it's a pressure vent. I don't know.
They might.
Something.
Wow. So
I don't
it's
know.
totally water. That'd be entirely waterproof.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's got a nice leg. Better than the ones we get from
Yeah,
China
yeah.
nowadays.
Oh,
So look,
that's
you can
beautiful.
change here.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And then
Awesome.
there's a fine tuning.
Yep.
Old school. You know, like
Nice.
robust.
Awesome. Thanks, Bruno.
Righty.
I have no idea who put that up. I like, they're obviously paying for advertising at the EEVBlog event, Batterize, and we've seen some solar freaking roadways.
Battery discharge code.
Such jitter, such well.
That's your battery discharge code.
500. Bullshit. Oh yeah.
Advertise, agent.
That looks totally legit. That's totally legit. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you well tested. You well tested. Yes.
Certified.
Yes. We're all enjoying the sponsor of tonight's event, which is Batterizer.com.
My friend
Independent data. Oh. Which, if you don't know, they got that data from someone who posted on the EEVBlog forum, and then they went, "Oh shit, this looks good. We're going to put it up on our campaign." Oh, classic.
Please join our revolution.
Join our revolution. To Batterizer technology. Tap for more energy. Oh, now we've got Fontus. Fontus. Yes.
Oh, if this was wet green stuff, there'd be the Sahara right there.
It takes forever.
Oh, he's recording me. No. I think it's time to draw the scope. 27.
You can't win the scope.
And just a non-contact voltage tester from Testo. All right, tough titties. All right. No correspondence. 4. Yeah, no correspondence will be ended in 4. Winner.
Winner, winner.
Chicken dinner. And the box I'm holding, which is over there, you can have it back in a minute, is a some sort of digital multimeter. I don't know. Woo! It's not that good. It's like 0.8% or something. It's all right. It's like a electrical one. 37. Oh, Gav the Mega-Tronics guy. Gav, you can have the box in a minute. All right. Scope.
That's mine.
Amazing when you find the dumpster. All right. What is it? It's a DSOX 1102, so it's a 100 meg 2 channel job.
Yes! Oh, sexy.
All right. Still shrink wrap for your protection.
That's mine.
Who has? Oh, 007.
Oh,
Oh, Mick, no.
who's that?
Yeah, Mick, mate.
No! You're kidding!
Let me check.
No, you're really?
Where's the trough?
Is it legit? It's legit.
No!
Yeah, mate.
Oh.
That's it. Thanks.
So I've just been playing around with it. The training signals are fantastic. You've got FM burst, RF burst, a whole lot of sort of weird things that might occur, sine with glitch, sine with noise, repetitive pulses with ringing, fast Fourier transforms. That's just pretty amazing. I'm pretty impressed with this. And I haven't even gotten into half of it yet. Oh, this is so cool. I have a frequency response analysis. Oh man, this is so fantastic.